Good morning, Adana. You are so beautiful. We are walking on almost the oldest bridge which was built during the Roman Empire. I'm surprised. I like this park. Famous musician. Adana is actually really green and clean compared to Izmir. It's all because of the government. It's an old Osman time hammam. I love this old area and I'm happy that our hotel is just around 10-12 minutes away. All these newly renovated houses, they were like this before. I hope they will fix it also. What's this strange looking roof? Hammam?
Yes.
Wow, what's the vibes? I'm not sure what they were making here, but here people eat food and here... No, I'm asking you.
You know inside?
No.
They are making inside in the clean color, names color. Some chemical.
Wow, this looks really interesting. Honestly, I love bazaar vibes, especially when my love is coming with me, because alone you don't feel good. What do you think? What's inside this interesting construction? I was afraid that this is some kind of animal, but it's inside is cheese. This is how they cook it, right? Why? It's an old style, cooking style. Right in the middle of bazaar there is this huge mosque. What an interesting mosque, very different design. The name is Ulu Jami, 1541. Wow, it's magical, I can say. It's so historical. Completely by accident, we stumbled upon a nice ferry. Actually, it will be here for 3 days. We bought tickets for today, and our hotel is right here. What a surprise!
Storm
from Adana. This beautiful hotel is out of my expectations. Look at the river. I've never been to Adana before, and I'm happy to be here with my husband today after work. I'm going swimming, that's why I have my headphones. First of all, small room tour. This is our bathroom. We have shower and also we have a bath that no one, oh my headphones, no one is using this bath. I don't know, we just got used to shower. We have really huge wardrobes, two of them, and this place all for clothes. So this is my office. I'm really satisfied with this hotel. It's picnic day. We have here bread, freshly baked lavash. This is also for our comfort. My love is trying to start fire. And we have fruits, tomatoes, which I'm gonna wash, small onion. I think we will survive in a wild nature with my husband, right? Woohoo, we have fire. I will keep you updated. More and more people coming here, so I'm surprised and grateful we found our place under this olive tree. Also, there is a way you can go and look at the river. I will show you later. We bought this barbecue set, and actually we bought this barbecue set and meat, and we spent a lot of time looking for meat because today is, what is today? Mother's Day. I think everyone is going outside to celebrate. Only 35 minutes away from the city center of Adana there are picnic places. At first we also wanted to sit here by the river, but there are quite a few families, so we decided to move back side and we found this beautiful place by the olive tree. There is something I will never understand about Turkish people. I'm not talking about all of them, but there are many of them who leave garbage right in the picnic areas, and it's so awful. Guys, please don't do that. It's not so difficult to take your garbage with you, right? Looking very tasty. I'm happy we found meat. How many kasab we stopped by, baby? 4. I thought 5. 5 different butcher places. No meat. I wanted to buy bread in the supermarket. Thanks God we didn't make this. Because there is special place where you buy bread, special place where you buy other things. Today is weekend and it means we are going to explore a bit. We are going to waterfall which is near Adana, and then we will see a cave and probably go to Mersin which is near the sea. This is mountain river. The color is really nice. We came to eat tantuni and this kitchen looks amazing. And they're working so fast and so many people coming here to eat. Maybe you can eat, for God's sake. Ah, okay, I can show. Without lemon you will not eat. After our tantuni feast, we came to walk by the sea. My love, very nice weather. The weather, the,
I like you.
the weather, no?
Yes, also.
Okay, he likes only me, which is kind of very nice. I wanna say that we are very lucky because it's not scorching hot and we have a chance to walk around this long embankment. Fresh air, not so many people. Wow, Mersin, you are quite nice city. Do you think these columns they supposed to be like this, or they were broken during the earthquake? Honestly, I'm not sure. I think this city is very peaceful. Honestly, it's so beautiful. And the flats here are not expensive. The city city center and people still can't swim here, I suppose. The water is clean enough. Every city in Turkey has something special to offer. Food, culture, history, views. You would never be disappointed, I promise. I disturbed the peace. Huh? Found a cat who wants love and attention. Look how cute he is. I like this color of the cats. They are all very clever, I think.
Maşallah.